I'm Chad, and I'm here from the HLW Group in Hayward, we're a property management firm, and today I'm here to talk to you about water intrusion and damage. The first thing you're going to want to do when you find out you have water intrusion or damage is call your property manager. If you don't have one, you should probably get one, and fast. The reasons for that is they know how to handle these situations. They deal with them all the time, especially during the rainy season. We have a lot of leaks, and this is pretty much just a routine habit for us, whereas for you it's going to be a real big headache. And delays in this process will cost you lots and lots of money, up to $1,000 a day in some instances, and that's not an exaggeration. Contacting a contractor is what we're going to do first, and obviously you could do that, but the next steps are where it gets a little bit more tricky. We know where to find the best licensed contractors that deal with these sorts of things and dryouts and emergencies every day. We know really good plumbers that'll track down a leak if it's a leak. And the references we have might be a little better than just looking someone up on Yelp or in the yellow pages, I guess, if that's still a thing. Next thing is they go out and they survey the damage. We will often, if it's a severe leak or if it's not a routine thing, go out to the property ourselves, take pictures for our records, and get those back to our clients sooner, which would be you. That way you're more informed, you're up to date as per the minute of what's happening, you're not guessing about how bad it is, you're being reassured and told, hey, I've got this is where we're at in the process, and this is what comes next. The next thing you might have to do in severe cases is relocate your tenants. And if you have a property manager, they'll do that for you. They're going to be able to find you a reasonable rate and a hotel and get them out of there. Last but not least is asbestos. It's a thing, it happens. And especially if you have an older building, you're more likely to have asbestos in your home or apartment building. And there are legal requirements for testing, and you got to know how all that works. And instead of taking the 2 hours to learn it yourself online, just call us, because we do this every day, and we'll knock it out for you. And I'm going to go back for a second to the costing you money by the minute, by the day. Really quick, last thing. Because you have to remove the drywall, because you have to put special equipment in the unit to dry it out, those machines each are often $500 a day. Sometimes you have 2 or 3 of them in a unit, or you have 2 or 3 units that are affected. If you're not getting this done fast enough, you can literally lose thousands of dollars. It's much cheaper to just give us a call. So, call us today.